Have you learned HTML and CSS but still don't know how to make a single dollar with it? Or maybe you're stuck in a loop of tutorials and everyone keeps telling you, learn JavaScript, do Backend, build a big portfolio, but it never ends, and worse, you still don't make money. This video is not about complex freelancing, agency work, or begging for clients on Fiverr. This is a different strategy, a real system that helps you earn income using just HTML, CSS, and some smart tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Pinterest. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at 5 real YouTube channels using this exact method and making money with simple HTML and CSS projects. 1. Mr. Smart Choice YouTube channel. This creator has just over 2,000 subscribers but uploaded more than 100 videos, just HTML CSS UI components. Each video links to his Buy Me a Coffee page where he sells templates and offers membership. His shop, items from $3 to $10 each. Over 29 plus sales and a growing supporter base. Even with a small audience, he's earning around $1,000 a month. Why? Because the system works. 2. Code Nepal. This channel has 230k plus subscribers and nearly 400 short tutorials on HTML, CSS, and simple JavaScript. His Buy Me a Coffee page, it's booming. Over 1,900 sales, supporters, memberships, digital shop. He's easily earning over 20,000 plus just by uploading useful beginner-friendly videos and linking to digital products. Another one, Tachi. Over 225 videos, 30k plus subs, making simple projects and promoting through Telegram, email marketing, and Buy Me a Coffee sales. His strategy proves you don't need to be huge to earn well, you just need a system. You might be thinking, okay, but these are big creators, I'm just a beginner. Let me stop you right there. This is the same strategy I'm about to teach you, step by step, even if you've never made a single project before. This video is different. You've probably watched dozens of make money coding videos and they didn't work because they skipped steps, assumed you were a pro, or just gave vague advice. I'm Eldnight and I help beginners turn their coding skills into real income by combining simple web development with the power of AI. In this course, I'll show you 6 proven stages to help you earn your first $10,000 online without freelancing, advanced coding, or overwhelm. You'll see exactly how to build clean UI projects, use AI tools to speed things up, share your work in the right places, and get paid, even as a beginner. Let's dive into the video. Before we start, here's why I'm using Pinterest and why you should too. Most people ignore Pinterest, but it's secretly one of the best platforms to grow, get views, and make money, especially for beginners. Here's why. 1. It's a visual search engine. Unlike TikTok or Instagram, people come to Pinterest to find ideas and solutions. And that means your UI projects stay discoverable for months, not hours. 2. You don't need followers, you just need good boards and clear pins. Even with 0 followers, you can start getting clicks to your YouTube, Telegram, or portfolio. 3. It's perfect for coders, designers. We're building beautiful HTML, CSS projects with Canva, ChatGPT, and AI tools. Pinterest is made for visual content like this, so that's why I'm using Pinterest for this system. Simple, visual, long-term, and beginner-friendly. And don't worry, I'll guide you step by step on how to set it up, create your boards, and start posting your code projects the right way. Now, set up your Pinterest account. We'll be using Google Chrome on Android, but you can also follow along on desktop or in the Pinterest app. Just make sure you're starting fresh. We want a clean setup for this business. Step 1. Sign up for a new Pinterest account. 1. Open Chrome. 2. Go to pinterest.com. 3. Tap on Sign up with Google. 4. Choose your Gmail account. 5. Enter your full name and date of birth. 6. Select your gender, male or female. 7. Choose at least 5 interests. This helps Pinterest personalize your feed. Pinterest may ask you to download the mobile app. I highly recommend downloading it later, but for now we'll continue in Chrome. Account created. Let's customize it. Step 2. Customize your profile. 1. Go to the Saved tab. 2. Tap the gear icon in or Edit Profile. Now fill in the important details. First and last name, use your name or your brand's name. It's up to you. About description, write something short but clear like creating modern UI components using HTML CSS. Pronouns, optional, he, him, she, her, etc. Website link. If you already have a YouTube channel, Buy Me a Coffee, or Telegram group, add it here. If not, don't worry. We'll come back and edit this later. Step 2.1. Choose a unique username. Your Pinterest username is part of your brand. It needs to be unique, clean, and ideally match your branding across platforms. Here's how to find one easily. Open ChatGPT. Ask this prompt. I want to create a brand name for creative UI components using HTML and CSS. Give me 10 options. Pick one that sounds professional and available. For this course, we're going to use CodeNest. Now go back to Pinterest and set your username to pinterest.com/codenest. That's your public brand link, clean and ready. Step 3. Add a profile image or logo. You can use your face, friendly and personal. A custom logo, professional look. If you want a logo, just ask ChatGPT to generate one using this prompt. Create a simple, modern logo for a brand called CodeNest that builds clean UI with HTML, CSS. Follow the follow-up questions ChatGPT gives. Once your logo is generated, download it and upload it to Pinterest. Now your profile looks great and trustworthy. Step 4. Final settings check. Go to Settings, Public Profile and double-check everything. Profile image, username, description, website, if any, country and language. Make sure it's all public so people can discover your pins. Step 5. Create your first board. Now let's create a board. But wait, what is a board? A Pinterest board is like a folder. You use it to organize your content by category. So for example, one board might be HTML, CSS mini projects. Another could be personal website templates. Later you can create boards like responsive UI components or animations with CSS. Let's create our first board together. 1. Tap the plus icon. 2. Choose Create Board. 3. Name it HTML CSS Mini Projects. 4. Set it to public. 5. Tap Create. You can create more boards later. For now, I'll add 2. HTML CSS Mini Projects. Personal website templates. Great. Your profile is now clean, customized, and ready for content. Step 6. Optional. Convert to business account. Right now, we're using a regular Pinterest account. You can convert it into a business account by going to Settings, Account Management, Convert to Business. We won't go deep into that in this video, but if you want access to analytics, ads, and rich pins later, I recommend it. That's it. You've now created and customized your Pinterest account from scratch. You've got a clean brand name, a matching username, a logo, a clear profile, and your first boards ready. This is the foundation. We'll use this Pinterest to upload project visuals, link to your tutorials or product pages, and attract clicks that lead to income. Stage 2. Planning and building. This is a very crucial step and you'll learn from zero to projects, building with AI, images, and code. Before we build anything, there's one thing I need you to understand. The money doesn't come from random coding. It comes from turning your simple HTML, CSS projects into visuals, stories, and value, then distributing them the smart way. And that starts with knowing exactly what to build. And if you skip this part, you'll waste hours trying to build what you don't understand. Here's what you need to gather first, like a checklist. 1. A clear UI design or layout. 2. Relevant images and icons for the design. 3. The right AI tools to convert visuals to code. 4. A code editor, VS Code or Mobile Code Studio. 5. A solid prompting method, direct or indirect. Step 1. Where to find UL designs. Don't start from a blank page. To make this process easier and faster, you need a design reference, something visual to base your code on. Here are 4 ways to get a good UI design to build your project from. 1. YouTube, free ideas with visuals. Search HTML, CSS projects or mini website design ideas. Pause and screenshot a design you like. This is perfect for copying trending ideas or recreating existing popular projects. 2. Canva, beginner friendly. Visit canva.com, search for templates like landing page, car website or restaurant menu, login and sign up page. Download or screenshot the layout. We'll use this later with AI 3. Dribble, pro designs for inspiration. Visit dribble.com. Search mobile UI, web template or hero section. Take ideas, especially layout, colors, spacing. 4. Figma, if you want to design from scratch. Visit figma.com. You can design your UI from scratch, optional. We'll focus more on Canva plus screenshots for now. But remember, a beautiful layout isn't enough. You'll also need images to bring your project to life. Here are 2 top image sites I personally recommend. 1. freepik.com. 2. Canva, built-in library. Now step 1, we get the design, and 2, the image and icons, and now ready. Let's start building using automation. Step 3, set up your AI assistants. Here are 5 powerful AI tools we'll use. Choose the one that fits you best. 1. ChatGPT, best for understanding and generating all-purpose code. 2. Claude AI, gives cleaner HTML CSS layouts from prompts. 3. DeepSeek, powerful for advanced prompts. You'll love this. 4. Copilot, helps you inside VS Code 5 Snipsy.div. One-click UI snippets, perfect for Reels, Shorts, TikTok. Snipsy.div is great for ready-made components, ideal for fast growth on visual platforms like Instagram and YouTube Shorts. We'll use a mix, and I'll show you how. And to prove again, check out 2 creators using this method and earning daily. 1. Code Nepal, posts HTML, CSS, UI builds, monetizes via Buy Me a Coffee. 1900 plus shop sales, 230k plus subs. Real proof, simple projects equals real money. 2. Mrs. Smart Choice, only touch 2k subs. Posts hundreds of mini UI builds. Uses Buy Me a Coffee Telegram to earn over 1k month with beginner-friendly content. This is exactly the strategy we're building here. The next step 4. Understanding prompting, your AI superpower. This step is critical. AI is only as smart as your prompt. And now that you have a design, you need to turn it into code using 2 prompt styles. 1. Direct prompting. You directly upload the image and ask AI to convert it to code. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Convert this image above into a clean, modern HTML CSS website. Focus on layout, fonts, spacing. Perfect when you just want code fast, don't care much about flexibility. 2. Indirect prompting. You ask AI to give you a prompt first, so you can then paste that into ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Example prompt. Analyze this image, act like a senior front-end developer and generate the best possible prompt I can use to build this in HTML and CSS. This works great when you want more accurate and advanced output. Then use that new prompt on ChatGPT, Claude or DeepSeek. This gives cleaner code, more responsive output, better results for complex layouts. Step 5. Let's build a real project. Live example. Project 1. Responsive car website, direct prompt. 1. I used Canva to get a red sports car landing page. 2. I downloaded the image. 3. I prompted ChatGPT with convert this car website layout into clean HTML, CSS with responsive nav and hero section. 4. It gave full code. Now let's build it. How to use VS Code or mobile editor. If you're on desktop, open VS Code. Click File, Open Folder. Create a new folder called Car Website. Then click File icon to create index.html. Paste the HTML code. Create style.cs. Paste the CSS code. If you're on phone, use Code Studio app. Create a new folder and paste the same files. I make separate videos about the mobile code editor. But wait, you'll have to do some minor editing, but not necessarily. For example, add image sources and adjust some layouts and styles.
Alright, in less than 1 minute, let's just a quick review on the code and how we add some little information in order to make it good. Initially, we have HTML header and also navbar and body section, hero section. So I add a logo image for the SVG. Then I go into hero section. Under hero, there is hero text, there is hero images. On the hero images, I went there and I update the car image as a car.spsg. Go into Chrome and click on refresh. As you can see here, the car is downside and the hero text is offside. Going to CSS, I will find out the class with a hero image, hero section, and disable the plex wrap. As you can see, let me go over and found it. The plex wrap is wrap. So as you can see here, the car now is in the right. And if I want to change the color picker, as you can see here, I just have to cut it line and add it under hero section. And as you can see, if I go into Chrome, the web page is looking good as we did. It is automatically generated with the help of AI and ChatGPT.
Project 2. Restaurant website, indirect prompt. Got an image from FreePic or Canva. Asked DeepSeek for indirect prompts. Gave prompt to ChatGPT. Refined code and pasted into VS Code. Boom, second project done.
And similarly for the project 2, it seems to be very complex or bit editing, but it's simple. As much as you give a good prompt for the ChatGPT, it will generate the code and I copy it and paste it in the VS Code. Here there's a different structure of it from the no-go, navigation, hero section, and hero for the put. You just have to edit some little information, add a correct URL of the logo, URL of the food, plate, color, and broccoli, all of the puts. By adding some little manual information on the CSS and HTML, you get the actual result of it. By copy the link and go into Chrome and paste it, look at this carefully, it will be generated and automatically by AI.
Challenge project for viewers. Download this watch sales website design, link in description. Then follow these steps, choose a prompt method, build it, and now we have 3 projects: make car sales website, food website, watch sale website if you solve the challenges. But here is the bonus method. Use Snipsy for instant components. Step 1. Go to Snipsy dev/snippets. 2. Choose from login pages, cards, portfolio grids, contact forms, product banners. 3. Copy code, paste in VS Code, slight edit. Done. Perfect for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest posts. Final concept. I USD this method as our DCE formula, which stand for Design, Convert, Edit. Step 1. Design. Get layout from Canva, free pick, YouTube. 2. Convert. Use AI to turn it into code. 3. Edit. Clean it up in VS Code. You now have real projects to show off, post, or sell. Coming next, how to monetize your projects using YouTube and buy me a coffee. And eventually, your first 10K project base. Step 3. Monetization stage. In the last step, we built real HTML CSS projects using Canva designs and AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Claude. We created everything step by step, even explained the code. But now, let's turn those projects into income. Because what's the point of learning to build if it's not helping you earn? Firstly, understand the flow so far. Pinterest. We created a brand presence to display projects. Projects. We built clean UI designs using automation and AI. Now, it's time to make an income. Welcome to the monetization stage, where your projects become paying assets. There are 2 core monetization methods we'll focus on. 1. YouTube channel monetization. 2. Buy me a coffee page monetization. These 2 work together. You don't pick one, you use both to build multiple income streams around your projects. Part 1. YouTube monetization. Make income while you teach. YouTube is not just for big influencers, it's a search engine for learners. Even if you're not a pro, you're always one step ahead of someone else. Teach them. And remember, you already created the projects in the last stage. Now just record, explain, and upload. Let me guide you from scratch. Step 1. How to create customized YouTube channel. This continues from your Pinterest brand identity. 1. Go to youtube.com to create an account on the web, but if you want, you can follow me along to create a channel using the YouTube mobile app. Download the app on the store, then open it. Click on New option at the down right side. If you have many Gmails, choose a new one, or use old account to create. But if you have created channel before, follow me along where I will guide you on how to name and customize your channel. 2. Click Create New Channel down to the profile icon. 3. Name it similar to your brand example. Code Nest. Matches your Pinterest username for trust. Add a handle or username name. As you can see, this one is Code Nest 1. Click on Create and the channel will be created successfully. Step 2. Customize your channel. Everything must look clean and consistent, just like Pinterest. Upload your logo. You already generated it earlier using ChatGPT. Add a channel banner. Use Canva 2048x or 152px with bold text like free HTML CSS projects. Learn with AI. Add channel description. Helping beginners build UI projects using HTML, CSS, and AI. Start learning, start earning. Later, you can verify your channel here, youtube.com verify. But what is the importance of creating a YouTube channel? That introduces the next step. Step 3. Record project tutorials. Now we take the projects from the last stage and turn them into video content. You're not starting from scratch, you already built these. Tools to use for screen recording on laptop or PC, OBS Studio, which is 100% free. Or use Movavi Screen Recorder, but I highly recommend this software because of its easy navigation and friendly interface. And for mobile users on Android or iOS, use built-in Screen Recorder or X Recorder download on a suitable app store. Explain step by step what you did. Show your code. Explain how you built it step by step. This gives you authentic tutorials, not copied content. And to edit your screen recording, use CapCut or InShot, Android, iOS. Add zooms, subtitles, music, trim the start and end. Or skip editing if your tutorial is clean. Just upload directly. Step 5. Uploading the video. 1. Go to YouTube. 2. Click Upload Video. 3. Fill in title. Build car sale UI with ChatGPT, HTML CSS project. Description. Include project summary plus links to your Buy Me a Coffee page or other resources. Tags. HTML, CS, AI coding, beginner project. Thumbnail. Use Canva to create a cinematic thumbnail as taught before. And then 4. Set visibility, public. The importance of YouTube here is, each time someone watches your video, you'll get 2 benefits, which I will explain in the next step. Step 6. Understand YouTube monetization options. There are 2 main paths to earn on YouTube. Method 1. YouTube Partner Program, YPP. To qualify for AdSense revenue, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, or 10M Shorts views in 90 days. Focus on publishing helpful long-form videos, 5 to 15 minutes, with real project tutorials. That's what builds trust. Method 2. Direct monetization using links. Add links in your description to sell project files. Offer services. Before applying for the YouTube Partner Program, start earning through your files. You can add, wanna download the source code, support me on Buy Me a Coffee. Upload your project zip there and set a small price like 1 to 3 or £10. That brings us to the second income system. Part 2. Buy Me a Coffee. Make income from your files. We already mentioned this during project delivery. Now we'll turn that idea into a real working system. What is Buy Me a Coffee? A simple creator page where fans can buy you a coffee by donating money, download paid files through Shop, subscribe by membership, hire you through bookings, or you upload files, UI projects, templates, source code. You earn income instantly, even without YPP. Why use it? Easy to set up, international payment support. No coding needed, share your download link directly. If BMC isn't supported in your country, alternatives, Ko-fi.com, Gumroad.com. Link back to YouTube. Every project you upload to YouTube connects to a Buy Me a Coffee download link. Example, support my work, download this car landing page, HTML CSS code, only $2.
For now, let's do it step by step how to create a working Buy Me Coffee page. Check the link in the description. Then it will be directed to this interface. Tap on sign up and they will ask you to enter your username. For example, I choose Codeness. Then the next page, it will ask you to continue with Google or email address. Choose your Google, and then it will next stage will ask you to upload your image URL or for profile image. Then add the name of your Buy Me Coffee page. Let me say brand name. I'm choosing Codeness. Then the next one, add about you, a short description about your business or some brand company you are using. Creating UI component using HTML and CSS. If you have a specific website URL, you can add it. For now, I'm just going to add a Telegram channel, which I will show you in this course already under promotion. Choose a specific region you are. If you never see your region, there's some alternative. For this one, I'm going to choose India. Tap on I will do it later. Setting up the payment is essential, so we are going to make a separate video on how to verify Buy Me Coffee page. Also, I will paste a link in the description how you can easily verify your Buy Me Coffee page. Assuming you haven't seen your link, your country there is an alternative which you can easily do, like what copy.com or Gumroad. So now your account is already created, but you can see a red sign that you need to set up your payment in order to start receiving. Of course, you can't use your Buy Me Coffee unless you verify your account. All you need to do, account details and also some little information. But for now, let's go and create our own face shop. That's what I'm talking about in this video, because as much as you want to sell your product, you need to create a shop, or we call it extra. You can change it the way you want. Tap on the hamburger, tap on the shop. But before that, there's something I want to show you. By tapping on payment options or payment history of the setting, you can see there's a lot of changes you can do. change your origin, change your payment, localize countries and other things. But tapping on the shop, it will take you to this interface by adding new items or digital product or something that you are going to sell to your products. I add on digital item, I add, let me see, I'll add the name of it. For example, responsive red car website. As you can see it here, add a little description about it, and as you can see it here, add a little, well, let me write for now. What should I write? Full source code link below. For example, HTML and CSS red car website, full source code link below. And the next one is add a picture image. Already you have an image from the from the image you get after you may build your project. You have to take a screenshot of it and add it. Look at this carefully. As you can see here, you can add too many, 3 or 4, is different. Then set a specific price you want. For example, I'm going to set 15 USD, and now after they purchase what you want, success page or redirect them to something like that. Most of the time I say confirmation message. After confirmation message, you can add a little thank you for purchasing me, and you can add a URL. For example, under category, you can categorize this into some group. For example, if you made a website, you can categorize it into categories of website or some login pages or other things. And there is a lot of slots. You can ask the question, you can do a lot of things depending on what you want. But the key things, for example, I'm going to select a unit, for example, only 10 left, and after the purchase you need to add them some file. We call it zip file. For now I'm just going to write thank you for purchasing. Now you can download the source file, for example, then upload a file. You have to zip it. So that's what we call zip file, like compromised files of many files. For example, you have some HTML, CSS, and some limited images. You have to compromise it into one single file. So for now, I'm going to my file manager to show you how it works. How I already prepare the template for HTML and CSS red car website. Open my file manager. I'll go to the folder directly, and let me show you a little bit. Look at this carefully. Coming this red car website, if I go there, I already zip it, which means they contain all the necessary things. But let me show you how you can easily do it. Open your Play Store or App Store, search for RAR, that is for RARR. So you can zip any file. For example, if you have a project folder for your login form or something project, you can easily zip it into RAR file, RAR file, or zip file. It's depending on you. So once you have that zip file, you can go there into that and upload the image. Let me say and upload the file. As you can see it here, car website. So once you upload the image, the zip file, it will be uploaded successfully. Now your product is ready to publish. Hope you know what I'm saying. Tap on publish and done. You are finished. But remember, you have to verify your account. For example, you must verify your account in order you are buying me coffee to work. So separate video on how to verify it, will make it now. But for now, everything that is necessary, you have made it. So the core of this video, to set up buy me copy, to create a shop, and now you can copy this link and add it to your description on the YouTube channel you already recorded, built, and teach. So now directly viewers can click and come here to watch your video, which is 100% free. So let me show you what I mean. Assuming now we copy the link, we have published it and it is ready, we verify the account. Then we record the video from the project. We go into YouTube and upload the video. We give it a title, a nice looking title. We add a description, we add some minor tags, and we add a thumbnail. So in the description, we should say, if you want to download the source code, check the link in the description. In the video, while you say download the source code link below, you add your buy me copy page, which is a nice idea, as you can see it here.
You now have digital assets earning your income even while you sleep. In summary, how to use BMC for income, share project files from YouTube or Pinterest, offer exclusive HTML CSS UI kits, sell templates, components, or even mini courses. Coming next, stage 4, promotion. Now we've created real projects, uploaded them on YouTube, set up a monetization system, but no one will buy or watch unless you promote it properly. Stage 4 is where we drive traffic using Pinterest, Telegram, Shorts. Use automation to push content daily. Build community around your UI. Stage 4, promotion stage. If you don't promote, no one knows. Let's fix that. The big problem. Most beginners build great things, but they're invisible. No views, no downloads, no money. Solution for you? A traffic system. Not luck, not hope. A repeatable method for turning content into clicks. So in this stage, I'll give you a step-by-step traffic system using platforms you already know. Pinterest, Instagram Reels, Telegram, YouTube Shorts, Twitter, X. And we'll use AI tools to save time and stay consistent. How it all connects each project you build in stage 2. Becomes a tutorial in stage 3, then becomes multiple promotional posts in stage 4. So you're not creating more work, just repurposing. Let's break it down. Step 1. Pinterest automation system. You already created and customized your Pinterest account in stage 1. Now we bring traffic to each project. Create boards. Create boards for each category. HTML, CSS, UI components, login forms, car website templates, free front-end projects. These help you stay organized and tell Pinterest what your niche is. Create pins daily, 3 to 5 pins day. Each project becomes multiple pins. One pin with full page preview, one pin showing mobile view, one pin with code screenshot, one pin with YouTube thumbnail, one pin with a motivational coding quote. Use Canva to make all of them. Make sure each pin links back to either YouTube video tutorial or your Buy Me a Coffee project download page. Use keywords in pin description. Example, responsive car landing page built using HTML, CSS AI tools like ChatGPT. Perfect for front-end devs. Free source code included. Pinterest works like Google. Keywords matter. Schedule pins optional. Use free tools like Pinterest's native scheduler, Metricool or Buffer. Limited free plans. Now your pins post every day automatically. Step 2. Instagram Reels, Shorts, TikTok. Each project can also become short-form content. Start with a hook. Build this website using HTML and CSS. Show a quick before-after end with call to action. Download full project in bio tools to use. CapCut or InShot, easy for editing. Use the project, build screen recordings from earlier. Add music and animated text. CapCut has free templates. Upload on Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels. One video equals 4 platforms equals 4x traffic. Step 3. Telegram channel. This is for building a private community around your brand. How to start. 1. Open Telegram. New channel. 2. Name. Code Nest projects. 3. Description. Free premium HTML CSS projects for beginners. Learn, build, earn with AI. What to post. New project demos, project download links, behind the scenes of your builds, YouTube videos, updates, tips and offers. Use pinned messages to organize free projects, premium projects, tools, resources, tutorials. You can also use Telegram bots to auto-post new videos or pins. Step 4. AI tools to speed everything up. You don't need to do this alone. Use AI to speed up your workflow. Tools and what it does. ChatGPT. Write tweet threads, captions, pin descriptions. Canva. Create all visuals, pins, thumbnails, quotes. CapCut. Edit videos with auto captions and templates. Pinterest scheduler. Auto post pins. Cross-link everything. Make your YouTube bio link to Pinterest. Buy me a coffee. Telegram. Make your Pinterest profile link to YouTube. Buy me a coffee. Make your Instagram bio link to Linktree with all links. You're building a loop where traffic from any platform can find all your offers. Your projects aren't just sitting on your device. They're seen by people on Pinterest, Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, and YouTube. You've built real digital assets that attract views, trust, and income. Automatically next stage, prompting for profit. In the next stage, we'll turn AI prompting into a skill that builds projects faster, generates better content, sells more with less effort, helps you stand out even in a crowded space. Stage 5. Prompting for profit. The better your prompt, the bigger your result. In the last 4 stages, we used AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, DeepSeek, and Snipsy to help build projects, generate ideas, and write content. But most beginners underuse these tools. They give weak prompts and get weak results. Not you. In this stage, we are building your prompt engineering power, and it directly connects back to Stage 2. Project building. Stage 3. Content creation. Stage 4. Promotion. By the end, you'll know how to build full HTML CSS projects with just one image, generate better video scripts, write Pinterest descriptions, create short-form content ideas, design faster with AI. Let's break it down into 5 powerful prompting systems. Step 1. Understand the 2 prompting styles. You already mentioned them earlier, and now we go deeper. Direct prompting. You ask the AI directly to do something. Convert this image into HTML, CSS. Best for instant code generation quick fixes. Copy-paste tasks, tools, ChatGPT, Copilot, Claude, DeepSeek use when you have a clear input, e.g. image, design, or requirement. Indirect prompting. You ask the AI to give you a better prompt to use elsewhere. Example prompt to ask. Act as a front-end expert. Analyze this design and write the perfect HTML CSS prompt to give Claude. Best for advanced coding results, high-quality outputs, complex automation. Use when you want better accuracy or project-level work. Step 2. Build a prompt library. Start saving. Every time you get a good result, save that prompt. Create a folder in your notes or Google Docs. Prompt library plus project building. Plus, convert this login UI into responsive HTML CSS with dark mode. Plus, Pinterest descriptions. Plus, write an SEO Pinterest description for a car website built with HTML CSS. Plus, YouTube scripts. Plus, write a 1-minute short script for a UI login tutorial. Include a hook and CTA. Plus, buy me a coffee shop ideas. Plus, generate 5 digital product ideas based on my HTML CSS templates. This is your personal ChatGPT stack. Use it forever. Step 3. Component-based prompting micro projects. Instead of asking AI to build a full website, break it down into UI components. Login form. Navigation bar card with image price responsive footer hero section with CTA prompt. Create a clean login form with email and password input. Rounded corners, light theme, responsive on mobile. These can be sold individually or combined into bigger projects later. This is how Snipsy Dev works, and you can mimic that with ChatGPT or Claude. Step 5. Content prompting for growth. You don't need to brainstorm forever. Prompt smarter. Pinterest. Write 3 pin titles and descriptions for a HTML CSS mini project teaching beginners how to build a login form. YouTube. Write a 2-minute hook-based script for a YouTube short showing a responsive car website UI built with HTML, CSS, and AI. Instagram. Write a short Instagram caption for this UI build. Made this login form with ChatGPT Canva. Include hashtags. Telegram. What can I post in my Telegram channel today that adds value and promotes my Buy Me a Coffee page? This is how you stay consistent without burnout. Bonus for you. Use AI to create digital products, passive income. You can now turn prompts into UI templates, sell as zip or code. Prompt packs, sell a doc or Notion file. Mini courses, build once, sell forever. AI tools lists, people love curated tools. Ready to use short scripts. Ask ChatGPT. Give me 10 profitable product ideas I can create using my HTML, CSS projects plus AI skills. Or even, what can I sell to beginners learning front-end with AI? Link it to your Buy Me a Coffee Shop, Gumroad page, Telegram channel, how Stage 5 connects everything. The better your prompt, the better your project, the better your content, the better your traffic, the better your income. This is the core skill behind everything you've done. The builder who knows how to prompt beats the builder who just copies. Coming next, bonus stage, stage 6, scaling automation. In the bonus final stage, we'll automate your content with AI plus schedule tools, scale your brand to multiple platforms, plan a simple funnel to earn 10K plus. Stage 6. Scaling automation. Now that it works, make it work without you. Why this stage matters. You've created your Pinterest brand, built projects with AI automation monetized via YouTube and Buy Me a Coffee. Mastered prompt engineering. Now to reach 10K and beyond, you need to multiply results without multiplying your effort. This is what stage 6 is all about. Automate, schedule, repost, outsmart the grind. Let's break it down into 5 steps. Step 1. Content systemization, batch reuse. Remember, you don't need to create new content every day. Instead, you need to repurpose smartly. How to do it: for each project or topic, e.g. HTML login UI, make one long YouTube video, cut 3 YouTube shorts from it, convert into Pinterest pins, turn into Instagram Reels, post tutorial thread on Twitter X, send as a Telegram update one project, 6+ pieces of content. Use tools like either CapCut, AutoCut shorts from long videos, repurpose.io, schedule across YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest Metricool, Buffer, automate your posting calendar. Step 2. Automate your Pinterest growth. Pinterest equals traffic engine. You equals smart traffic director. What to do? 1. Use Canva plus ChatGPT to batch generate 10+ pins for each project. 2. Use Tailwind app to auto-schedule pins for 1 month. 3. Add keyword-rich titles, descriptions, and tags. 4. Link every pin to YouTube tutorial, buy me a coffee page, GitHub repo or Telegram group. Pro tip: use ChatGPT. Give me 10 Pinterest pin titles and descriptions for a mini UI login form project for beginners learning HTML CSS. Save time, stay relevant, post daily even while sleeping. Step 3. Email funnel, optional but powerful. This separates you from 95% of beginners. Create a simple email list with MailerLite free, ConvertKit best for creators. Step by step. 1. Offer a freebie. Download my 3 beginner HTML CSS templates for free. 2. Collect email with a form connected to MailerLite. 3. Set up 3-day automation. Day 1. Deliver templates. Day 2. How to use them plus a link to YouTube. Day 3. Promote buy me a coffee or membership offer. This is how you build trust plus income on autopilot. Step 4. Build your creator kit, digital asset vault. Let AI build products once and sell forever. Ideas you can package. Prompt packs, 20 powerful ChatGPT prompts for front-end devs. UI component kits, zip files of HTML CSS blocks. Mini courses, hosted on Gumroad or Buy Me a Coffee Shop. Behind the scenes Notion workspace. Ask ChatGPT. List 10 digital product ideas I can sell based on front-end UI and AI automation. Upload these to your Buy Me a Coffee Shop, Gumroad, Ko-fi, or even your Telegram pinned messages. Final wrap-up, the Earn While You Learn system. Here's the 6-stage strategy you've now mastered. Stage summary 1. Pinterest setup, build your brand visually with boards and keywords. 2. Project building, use AI to automate mini UI projects from image or design. 3. Monetization, launch a YouTube plus Buy Me a Coffee channel to start earning. 4. Promotion, multiply reach via short-form content and platforms. 5. Prompting, master direct indirect prompting to boost all output. 6. Scaling repurposed content, build digital assets, and automate traffic. So here's the truth. You've seen how people are earning real money with simple HTML and CSS projects. No JavaScript, no backend, and no complicated freelancing. This is a real system, not a hack, and it works if you follow it. What's next? This was just part 1. In the full series, I'll teach you how to build real client-ready websites, how to start freelancing with confidence, how to use GitHub, Figma, VS Code, and prompt engineering, and how to create your own digital products, email funnel, and passive income systems. This is a full roadmap, not random tips. If you want to grow with me, hit that subscribe button. It's the only way you'll know when the next lessons drop. Download all the tools, templates, and project files. Link is in the description via Buy Me a Coffee. Want to join my coding community? Ask questions, get early project templates, receive weekly guidance from me, and connect with others on the same path. Join my community on Buy Me a Coffee. It's where I share exclusive content, live project files, and personal feedback. Click the link in the description to join. Let's grow together. No fluff, no gatekeeping. You don't need to be perfect, you just need a plan and action. Start today, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Eldnight. Peace.